Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do another unboxing video, and this time it's going to be for an order that I have from Lazada. Here it is. So I haven't opened it yet. It's actually a microphone, the Boya microphone. I wasn't really planning buying a microphone because I feel like I don't have the need to buy a microphone because I've done some other videos and it sounds like they can hear me okay, but I saw this vlog about the equipments or the tools that you use for vlogging, and the YouTuber actually featured this Boya microphone and he tested it, and I kind of like it because it really focuses the sound on your voice. So even if you have like an electric fan in the background or other background noise, it doesn't really affect how it would sound on your videos. So I think I'd like that. Although it's not that cheap. I mean, it's so-so. So it's not that cheap, but it's not that expensive. But I think that I'd like to try it, right? So let's go ahead and try to open this now. So I'm hoping that my memory will be able to, catch everything because I'm running out of memory, but yeah. Okay, so here it is. So, sikip. Here, okay, there you go. Oh. I'm not expecting this picture. I thought that I am buying that microphone with the fur. You know, those microphones that trap all the outside noises away and just trying to focus on the voice. I'm expecting that the picture would have that, furry microphone, if you know what I mean. I hope there is that, because that's what I was really purchasing. I mean, I think the fur that I'm talking about is just the covering for the microphone. Yeah. So. Oh, okay. It's there. So here. Yeah, there. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not sure how to describe this. It's like a fur or whatever you may call this stuff. I'm sorry, I'm not very familiar with blogging terms, the blogging tools, but yeah. So we have that. I think this is the mic, so we just have to put on this one there. Yeah, I always actually see this kind of microphone in doing some streaming or online videos, the YouTubers, so I'm kind of excited to use this one. And okay, so basically here are the contents. So this one, the furry covering, for the mic. And then we have, it's getting darker. Okay, yeah, because the sun is setting, so it's getting night. This one, I'm not sure what this is for. I still have to find out. Guys, please don't mind my arms. I know it's messy. And then we have this cable. Yeah, that cable. And then we have, there's a lot. I think there are just two cables. This one. And then we have a silicone gel. And, okay, there's a pouch. Wow, I like this. There's like a pouch, so you can put all the contents here. So basically we have this, the mic, this one, and this one. So we have four things inside. So now, how do we set it up? I'm not sure, so we'll have to find out how to set this up. So I'll try to set this up and see how it works. Okay, so we have the warranty card, and also, yeah, this is the manual. As you can see that it's already dark, the sun is already set. Good thing that the light is enough. So this one is the TRS connector for cameras, audio recorders, camera recorders, for cameras, or maybe if you have like a DSLR, I'm not sure. And this one is for the smartphone, tablet, or Mac. TRRS. Okay. Yeah, we are going to put this, it's actually called 40 windshield. So this is a 40 windshield. We're going to use this here. What is this? What is this called? This is the shock mount. Shock mount. So we have to like insert the 40 windshield with a microphone here on top of the shock mount. Oh my gosh, it's hard. Why do things always have to be hard? There you go, got it. Okay, so next we are going to use this one, the TRRS, because that is for the smartphone. So we're going to plug it here in the 3.5 mm connector into the audio jack of the smartphone. So this one's here. There you go. It's also hard. Everything's hard. Why? Okay, so this one is for the cell phone, for the smartphone. And then open the audio only app and begin recording. Okay. So I have to plug this into the smartphone, the cell phone, and then begin recording so that you will hear how it sounds with the microphone on. Okay guys, this is how it sounds when there's the Boya microphone. So I've already plugged it in my smartphone. So say difference, is there any difference at all? How do you think it sounds different from when I'm not using the Boya microphone? This is when you don't have the Boya microphone on. So say the difference with the microphone. This one, I have the microphone on and it's connected to my cell phone. So this is how it sounds, and without the Boya connected to the smartphone. So this is just the normal sound without the Boya microphone. Okay, so I guess that's it for this vlog. So we're able to test how this sounds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for future videos. See you soon. Ciao.